Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to watch restricted YouTube videos safely on Chrome. Currently, most bypass method like third-party site or no cookie link no longer work for age-restricted content. The only safe way is to sign in with a Google account that meets the age requirement. This ensures video plays correctly and keep your account secure. But here's another way to do it. As you can see, I have not signed in with a Google account. Just go to the video that you want to be played. And as you can see, it's signed. To confirm your age, just leave it for a few seconds. And the video will play automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.